के लिए अलाउ करना चाहिए।
Indian weightlifting contingent's dream run at the Commonwealth Games 2022 in Birmingham continued as India's 73 kg representative Achinta Sheuli bagged the gold medal in this event. The 20-year-old claimed the yellow medal with a combined effort of 313 kilograms. India has been performing exceptionally well in weightlifting as the contingent has already bagged 6 medals in this edition of the friendly games. Mirabai Chanu and Jeremy Lalrenunga claimed a gold medal each, while Bindya Rani Devi and Sanket Sagar picked up silver medals. The only bronze to date under India's tally in Birmingham came from Guru Raja Pujari. President Draupadi Murmu, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Achinta Sheuli on winning gold medal.